Good morning, all of you. Have a nice day. So, students, in our last classes, we have just discussed about types of fraction, addition, and subtraction of fraction. Right now, so today we will discuss about the multiplication of fraction. That is, multiplication of a whole number with a fraction. And in our of next class, we will discuss about the multiplication of one fraction by the another fraction. Right now, so don't be late. Let us start. So, students, before going to know about how to multiply a whole number with a fraction, let us learn something about this. Right now, let us learn graphically, pictorially. Right now, so students, look at here. Here it is a diagram, a figure, and it represents how much. You know that there are four equal parts. Out of one part we have taken right now, so we can represent it like 1 by 4. It means out of 4 equal part we take one part right now. And here also it is out of 4 equal part we have taken one part, so we can write it into 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, it will be how much? 4. 1 plus 1, it is 2 by 4 right now. Here what we have done, we have just added the two fraction so that we will get the resulted fraction. Right now, here it is 1 by 4, again it is 1 by 4, and if we add 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, we will get 2 by 4 right now. So in this way we can get the result by addition. But you know that addition means repeated addition means multiplication. You know, multiplication means repeated addition. So if we add 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, we can write like this: 2 into 1 by 4. Here it is repeated addition, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So we can write it like 2 into 1 by 4, which is equal to also 2 by 4. How it will be possible? Here we will take here 1 by 4 part, again we will take 1 by 4 part, so the result will be 2 by 4 part right now. Here 1 by 4, 1 by 4, if we multiply 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, we will get 2 by 4 right now. In this way we can multiply a whole number and a fraction right now. So come to next number. Here it is it will represent out of 5 part, 1 2 3 4 5, out of 5 part it will represent 2 parts, so we can write it as 2 by 5. Out of 5 equal part, it is 2 part. Again it is 2 part out of 5 equal part, again we can write it as 2 by 5. And if we add 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5, we will get 5. 2 plus 2, here we will get 4 by 5 right now. So look at here, we will get 4 by 5. In this way we can get the result, but it is addition, and you know that repeated addition is multiplication. So instead of adding 2 by 5, we can multiply 2 into 2 by 5. Also we will get 4 by 5 right now. So students, so let us discuss about the rules. How can we multiply the whole number and fraction? So look at here. Multiplication of fractions, it is multiplications fraction by whole number. Here the rule is to multiply a whole number with a proper or improper fraction. To multiply a whole number with a proper or improper fraction, we will multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction and keeping the denominator same. It means हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जो होल नंबर होगा, जैसे कि इस केस में होल नंबर 3 है, होल नंबर को हम किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? विल मल्टीप्लाई इट टू द न्यूमरेटर ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन. न्यूमरेटर क्या है? 2, एंड द डिनोमिनेटर विल बी द सेम. पहले से डिनोमिनेटर 7 था, तो बाद में भी कितना रहेगा? 7 रहेगा. सो विल मल्टीप्लाई 3 इंटू 2, 3 2 6. वाई? पहले से 7 था डिनोमिनेटर, अगेन कितना रहेगा? 7 राइट नाउ. इन दिस वे यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई. हियर इट इज 9 by 7 into 6. In this case also we'll multiply 6 by 9. Here it is, the whole number is 6 and the numerator of the fraction is 9. So we'll multiply 6 and 9. 9 6 are 54 right now. By next time we will write the denominator, which is equal to 7. Next, look at here. The third question is 3 into 1 by 8. 3 into 1 by 8 and represent it into pictorially. हमें इसको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करना है? पिक्टोरियली रिप्रेजेंट करना है. सो देखो 3 ठो डायग्राम है, 3 ठो फिगर दिया है और हम सब में कितना लेना है? 1 by 8 पार्ट लेना है. आउट ऑफ 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Out of 8 equal parts, we'll take one part right now. So here I take one part. Again in this figure, again I will take one part, and in this figure also I'll take one part right now. So in the resultant figure, it will be out of 8 equal part, it will be 3 part right now. And if we multiply, then it will be 3 into 1 by 8 is equal to 3 ones are 3 by 8. It will be 3 by 8. Look at here. Out of 8 equal part, it is 3 part. So let us discuss rule number 2. What is about rule number 2? To multiply a mixed fraction to a whole number, to multiply with a mixed fraction with a whole number, first convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction, then multiply right now. So look at here. Here it is a mixed fraction and it is a whole number. Here 3 is a whole number and 2 whole 5 by 9 is a mixed fraction. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction right now. And you know how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction? First of all, we have to multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add with the numerator right now. So 3 into 7 to the 14, 14 plus 5, it is 19, 19 by 7. Now by using rule number 1, you can multiply 3 by 19 by 7 right now. 3 into 19, 19 3s, it will be 57, and here divided by 7 right now. Look at here. Look at the second number, 5 into 2 whole 3 by 7. Here also we will do the same. First of all, we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. And you know that how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator by the whole number, that is 7 to the 14, and add this result to the numerator, that is 7 to the 14, 14 plus 3, it is 17, 17 by 7 right now. Here 17 5s, 17 5s are how much? It will be 85 divided by 7. It is the answer. Next, here it is 1 whole 4 by 9 into 6. Here it is the whole number 6 and it is the mixed fraction. So first of all, we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 by 9 into 6. We will get 6 into 13. 6 into 13 how much? It is 78. So here I will write 78 by 9. And students, you know, if you want to make it simpler or reduce, then it will be cancel the fraction by 3 right now. 3 3s are 9 again. Here it is 3 2s are 6, 1 18, 3 6s are 18 right now. Here it will be 26 by 3. So students, let us know the use of in multiplication. तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन में ऑफ का यूज कैसे होता है? यू नो दैट ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन. ऑफ का मतलब क्या रहता है? मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो लुक एट हियर. हियर इट इज रिटन 1/2 of 10. 1/2 part of 10. It means 1/2 in place of we can write the multiplication symbol, and here it is 10 right now. So here we can write 10 ones are 10 by 2. If we reduce the fraction, then it will be 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, we will get 5 right now. Here it is written 2 by 5 of 25 right now. So 2 by 5 of means multiplication, and here it is we will write 25, and if we multiply the whole number by the fraction, then we will get 25 into 2, it will be 50 divided by 5, and if we reduce the fraction, then we will get 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50, we will get 10 right now. So by using of, we can solve the word problems. So let us discuss a word problem. Look at here. Here it is written, there are 30 cows in a field there are 30 cows in a certain field. Among them, 2 by 5 are grazing. 2 by 5 are grazing. Then here two questions are there. First one is how many cows are grazing and how many cows are standing. So student, let us understand the question properly, then we have to solve the question right now. So here the statement is there are 30 cows in a field. It means एक फील्ड में कुल मिला के 30 cows थे. Right now, among them 2 by 5 of them 2 by 5 of them 2 by 5 of them are grazing. उनमें से 2 by 5 क्या कर रहे थे? 2 by 5 पार्ट grazing. एंड बाकी सब खड़े थे. तो क्वेश्चन यहाँ है कितने तो खड़े थे. हाउ मेनी नंबर्स ऑफ काउ आर ग्रेजिंग एंड हाउ मेनी नंबर्स ऑफ काउ आर स्टैंडिंग. सो हाउ कैन वी फाइंड द आंसर? यू नो दैट among the all cows or total cows 2 by 5 are grazing. So first of all we will find the 2 by 5 of total cows. Right now, number of cow grazing, जितने grazing कर रहे थे कैसे निकालेंगे? 2 by 5 of total cow, that is 2 by 5 of 30, that is 2 by 5 of means multiplication into 30. And now we'll get 30 into 2, it will be 60 divided by 5. And if we reduce the fraction, we'll get 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Here we'll get the answer is 12, that is number of cow are grazing. Total number of cow 12 who is grazing. And the second question is how many cows are standing? If we subtract 12 from the total number of cows, then the rest are standing right now. So here the answer will be number of cows are standing is equal to total number of cow, it is 30, minus number of cow grazing are 12. So here we will get 18. Here the answer is 18. In this way we can solve the word problems right now. So students, let us discuss another word problem. So students, here the question is in a class of 40 students, 1 by 5 of the total number of students like to study English, 2 by 5 of the total number of students like to study mathematics, and the remaining students like to study science. Right now, so first of all we have to understand the question properly. तो यहाँ लिखा है स्टेटमेंट में इन ए क्लास ऑफ 40 स्टूडेंट, एक क्लास में कुल मिला के कितना स्टूडेंट्स है? 40 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. आउट ऑफ व्हिच 1 by 5 ऑफ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, टोटल 40 हैं, तो 40 स्टूडेंट्स से 1 by 5 ऑफ द 40 लाइक टू स्टडी इंग्लिश. इतने स्टूडेंट इंग्लिश पसंद करते हैं. एंड 2 by 5 ऑफ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज 2 by 5 ऑफ 40 लाइक टू स्टडी मैथमेटिक्स. उनमें से 2 by 5 ऑफ 40 मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है. एंड द रिमेनिंग बाकी इतना स्टूडेंट्स रहे दे लाइक टू स्टडी साइंस. So here the questions are how many students like English, second how many students like to study mathematics, and the third question is what fraction of the total number of students like to study science right now. So first of all we will find the answer of question number 1, that is how many students like to study English. कितने लोग इंग्लिश पसंद करते हैं? And you know that 1 by 5 the total number of students like English, total जितना students हैं that is 40 students. Out of 40 students, 1 by 5 of 40 students like English. So let us find the 1 by 5 part of 40 right now. Here the answer will be total number of students is equal to 40, and out of 40 students 1 by 5 part of the students like English. And you know that 1 by 5 of 40 they like English. So what will be the 1 by 5 part of 40? We will get 1 by 5 of mass multiplication 40, and we will get 40 into 1, it is 40 by 5. If we reduce the fraction, then we will get 5 1 is 5, 5 8 is 40, we will get 8 right now. Here the answer will be, the question is how many students like English. So 8 students like English right now. Next, come to the second question, how many students like to study mathematics right now. And you know that according to the question 2 by 5 part of the total number of students they like mathematics. So 2 by 5 part of 40. Right now 2 by 5 part of 40, they like mathematics. So let us find the 2 by 5 part of 40. 2 by 5 part of 40, that is equal to 2 by 5 of means multiplication into 40. 40 into 2, it is 80, and here we will write 5, and if we reduce the fraction, then we will get 5 1s are 5. Here we will 5 1s are 5, 3 left, 30, 5 6 are 30, we will get 16. We will get 16. Right now, so the answer will be 16 students like to study mathematics. Then come to the third question. Here it is written, what fraction of the total number of students like to study science? Right now, so students, here we have to find the fraction of students. Look at carefully. Here we have to find the fraction of students they like to study science. And you know that how many students like to study science? How can we find that? We will just add 16 and 8 who are like to study English and mathematics. We'll just add the numbers 8 and 16 and we'll subtract the result from the total number of students, that is 40. Then we'll get the number of students who likes to study science. But we have to find the fraction. We have to find the fraction of number of students they like to study science. So first of all, let us find how many of students like to study science. Then we will find the number of fraction. Right now, number of students like to study science is equal to, number of students like to study science is equal to 40, which is the total number of students, minus number of students who like to study English plus number of students who like to study mathematics, that is 16. Right now, here we will get 40 minus 8 plus 16, it will be 24. Right now, and again 40 minus 24, it will be 16. Right now, then now we have to find 14 is what part of 40. 16 is what part of 40. Here we will get the answer 16, but now we have to find the fraction. So 16 is what part of 40 right now. So the required fraction is, so the fraction is, we'll do 16 by 40, and if we'll reduce the fraction, then we'll get 4 4s are 16. Here we'll get 4 10s are 40. Right now, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. We'll get 2 by 5. Here the answer is 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 part of 40 students like to study science. Right now, so students, in this way you can solve the word problems. Right now, so here it is a homework for you to complete exercise 2.2. Thank you.